Welcome to the 2018 Girl Scout Cookie Program Training. Training agenda will include cookie program overview, council-specific timing, cookie program materials, and introducing the new Smart Cookies platform. This is our 2018 Girl Scout cookie lineup. We have the Girl Scout s'mores, lemonades, thanks a lot, gluten-free trios, caramel delights, peanut butter patties, peanut butter sandwich, shortbread, and thin mints. Please be advised that all cookies are $4 per package, with the exception of the trios. Trios, because it's a gluten-free cookie, is at $5 per package. Displayed here is the ABC Council National Average Mix. In its first year, the Girl Scout s'mores were 12% of the overall mix, proving to be a good selling cookie. With lemonades, which is a specialty cookie for ABC Baker, still staying strong at 10% of the overall mix. This is our council-specific average mix. This information is good to note because it gauges troops in what cookie variety sells well and is in high demand within our council area. When ordering cookies, please refer to these averages to ensure your troop has adequate inventory. Now to discuss our council-specific program timing. This year's theme is Stand Up, Stand Out, and our mascot is the elephant, and her name is Ella. Our cookie program is the largest girl entrepreneurial program for girls in the world. The knowledge and skills girls learn through the cookie program serves them for a lifetime. Girls gain essential skills from real-life experiences, building a strong foundation for success. These include our 5 basic skills: goal setting, decision making, money management, people skills, and business ethics. Participation. Troops must be established by November 30th. This includes training, must have an active troop bank account, and all girls must be registered for the 2017-2018 membership year. If a troop has a history of paying late 2 or more years, they will have to pay for cookies at the time of pickup. Troop cookie manager responsibilities. That person must ensure that the troop has an active troop bank account, ensures all participating girls are registered, collect signed parent permission slips from girls in the troop, place troop's initial order in Smart Cookies by the deadline, pick up cookies at assigned delivery time and site, distribute cookies to girls in a timely manner, enter girls' sales activity into Smart Cookies, communicate with parents and girls throughout the sale, meet all deadlines, and then distribute recognitions in a timely manner. Other troop cookie manager responsibilities. Hold a girl and parent meeting to discuss guidelines, review cookie program highlights, go over important dates, including any payment schedules that you have set up for your parents. You may want to call them Money Mondays or Frequent Fridays. Have each girl in the troop set a cookie goal, talk about safety and selling tips, and then review the volunteer guide. Important dates. Initial orders need to be entered in Smart Cookies between December 1st and December 11th. Cookies arrive between January 8th and January 13th. Cookie sale begins the week of January 8th. Cookie booths. Independent troop secured booths can begin as early as January 13th through February 25th. Council booth sales will begin on February 3rd through February 25th. ACH payments. We have 2 different ACH payments. The first ACH payment will be on February 7th, which is 50% of your initial order and everything picked up from cupboard up until February 3rd. The final ACH payment will be done on March 5th. National Girl Scout Cookie Weekend will be the weekend of February 23rd through February 25th. Collections are due on March 5th with no exception. Maximum amount to submit a parent is $400. Recognition orders are due by March 12th. Recognitions will then arrive the end of April, and our recognition banquet will be on April 7th. Inventory management. Contact your service unit cookie manager and or product sales team member if you have an excess of cookie inventory. Let troops in your service unit or in your area know what variety of cookies and how many extras you have. Inform girls and parents in your troop that you have extra cookies and see if they can help sell more. Schedule cookie booth sales to help sell extra cookies. Mystery Shopper. To assist troops and girls in operating a successful booth sale, Council will select volunteers that will appear as mystery shoppers. The purpose is to help make sure all troops are conducting an appropriate booth sale that will minimize issues and obstacles often reported by store managers. The mystery shopper will do as followed. They will visit the booth sale location. If booth is presentable and operating correctly, all girls at the booth sale will receive a fun patch. For those troops that do not meet the guidelines, the troop advisor may receive an email informing them that they were visited and state why the troop did not receive a patch. Money matters. Collect money from parents often and make deposits into your troop bank accounts immediately. Provide receipts for every transaction that is made. When girls are given cookies, ensure that there is a receipt to accompany those cookies. When money is collected from a parent, again, ensure that there is a receipt that is accompanied to that transaction. Communication is key. Stay in communication with your parents, your service unit, and council. ACH payments. There are 2 separate ACH payments for our cookie program. The first ACH is scheduled for Wednesday, February 7th. Council will be collecting 50% of your initial order and all cookies picked up from cupboard up until February 3rd. Our final ACH will be on Monday, March 5th. Please be informed that recognitions will not be ordered for a troop that does not clear on time. Collections. Collection deadline is on Monday, March 5th with no exceptions. If you have a parent that owes the troop money, you must submit them into collections. Collection forms must include receipts and signed parent permission forms. Please be informed that collection forms cannot exceed $400 per parent. At this point, the troop will no longer be responsible for the amount, and collections will then be imposed onto the parent. Cookie Pro. This is a GeoUSA contest. Every girl who enters the Cookie Pro 2018 contest will unlock an awesome limited edition Cookie Pro 2018 patch. Girl must be an eligible Girl Scout cookie seller from a participating council. Grand prize will include 6 girls nationwide, 1 per Girl Scout grade level, will be named Girl Scouts of the USA's top Cookie Pro for 2018 and get the epic chance to 1. Be featured on a Girl Scout cookie box, or travel to New York City for an all-expensive paid cookie entrepreneur experience. Try 5 is back. Customers that purchase 5 or more packages will be put into a drawing for this year's supply of Girl Scout cookies. Entry forms need to be submitted to Council office by March 16th, and entry forms will be sent through email to the Troop Cookie Manager. Our Council goal for the 2018 cookie program is 88,000 cases, which is 1,056,000 packages, with a 300 per girl average goal. Benefits for troops and service unit. Troop proceeds are 70 cents per package or 75 cents per package for those troops that have opted out of recognitions. Service unit bonus. If all troops within the service unit clear on time, the service unit will receive 1 cent per package sold within that service unit. Our recognition program. Check out this year's cookie recognitions and help girls set goals. Each troop will submit their recognition plan through Smart Cookies on or before March 12th. Troops will also be able to purchase additional fun patches as an added extra per girl. Cookie fun patches are 40 cents a piece. Please be reminded that recognitions will not be ordered for troops that do not clear on time, and that date is March 5th. Resident Camp. For girls who reach this recognition item, please be aware that it's only for brownies through cadets. Girls must have completed 2nd grade to be eligible for resident camp. Girls must register for camp in advance. Camp dates are set, and parents and girls can select a date that they prefer. Troop Cookie Manager will select the dates in Smart Cookies when recognition has been generated. New for the 2018 Cookie program is a Troop Reward. A custom Troop t-shirt will be given to each girl of a troop with a per girl average of 300 packages. Packages must be entered in Smart Cookies by February 7th with no exception to qualify for the Troop Reward. Cookie Sale Program Travel Rewards. This is an option for cadets, seniors, and ambassadors. Girls can use cookie rewards for council-sponsored travel trips or GSUSA destinations. They are not cumulative. They must be used during the 2017-2018 Girl Scout membership year, and trip deposits must be made before reward is applied. Deposit fees will vary based on travel location, and you can visit our travel page at gsgst.org for a list of council-sponsored trips and GSUSA destinations. Cookie program materials. Website and URL changes. abcbakers.com is a public site where customers can review cookie recipes and cookie nutritional factors, FAQs, and this is also where any questions with cookie specifics can be directed to. abcsmartcookies.com is a secure site. It is personalized based on the user access. It's a site for order management throughout the cookie program season. It's a site that focuses on the girl experience, volunteer training tutorials, and marketing materials. Cookie order card and recognition insert. Each participating girl will receive an order card and council recognition insert. Again, please ensure girls are registered members before passing out any sales material. Resources available on Smart Cookies: goal sheets, rally guide, and the 5 essential skills flyer. These are all printable items that can be presented to parents and girls. Other resources on Smart Cookies is the Volunteer Success Guide. This guide will assist troops throughout all 4 stages of the sale, including planning for the sale, preparing girls by encouraging them to goal set and familiarizing them with the cookie lineup, including the cost per package, important points during the sale, and then celebrating the success at the end of the sale. And now on to our new cookie platform. Featuring the new Smart Cookies app and logos. All apps can be downloaded through your smart device for fingertip access. Smart Cookies Mobile is the new Coco mobile app. It's featured for girl access. Smart Cookies Direct Ship is the new Coco Direct. Its features are for girls to market their sales by sending e-cards to potential customers. Smart Cookies Cupboard is the new Snap, featured for volunteer to access orders, boost sales, and all aspects of the sale. The new logos are explained as followed. 1. Consolidating all components under one platform. 2. Optimizing performance for web and mobile devices. Smart Cookies is cloud-based, so all functions are in real time. 3. Credentials, as far as access and use, is based on volunteer and girl role. 4. Redesign to the girl experience. And 5. Redesign features for volunteer with order and booth management process. In this duration of the cookie program training, we will be highlighting the following: volunteer registration process, girl registration process, how to place an initial order, booth, troop secured, and first come, first serve, how troops use Smart Cookie Booth Divider, how to place a planned order, how to create troop to girl transfers, navigating the Manage Order page, how to create a girl financial transaction, how to create a recognition order, and finally, girl online sales review. How do volunteers register? Step 1. An email with a link for registration as a volunteer will be sent to you once the troop has been entered in Smart Cookies platform by the council. Each council has a unique user access requirements and start dates that govern when registration emails will be sent. That is typically after training and once all required paperwork is submitted. When email is received, click on the link and start the registration process. Step 2. Your basic information, including position, troop number, council name, will be pre-populated in the fields. Please contact the council registrar if corrections in this area need to be made. Enter your contact information. In the profile info, enter your first and last name. Email, this will be the email you will use to log in and the one the council will use to contact you throughout the sale. So please verify that it's a valid email. Set up a password, upload a picture if you'd like, click Submit to complete the process. Step 3. A confirmation message will appear upon successful completion of the registration process, and then you will receive an email confirming your registration is complete. Save this email since it will contain your username and password as well as the link to ABC Smart Cookies. Once you follow the link and register, you will log into Smart Cookies and view your Troop's dashboard. At the top of the page, you can enter a Troop total package goal, and as the season progresses, the sales data will update the Troop's achievement. In the per girl average section, you will show last year's PGA set in packages, and it will update the current year's PGA throughout the current sale. Click on Goals and Online Activities to send messages to the whole troop or to individual girls. In the Inventory Total Ordered section, you will show last year's order amount in packages, and it will show this year's total. You can click on the Details box and it will show the total order broken down by variety and the percentage of each variety sold. In the Total Sold section, this will show what the troop sold last year, and it will update this year's volume sold throughout the current season. You will also be able to click on the Detail box and it will show the total sold broken down by variety, in package format, and the percentage of each variety sold. In the Total On Hand section, this will show how much inventory the troop has left. You may click on the Details box and it will show the current remaining inventory broken down by variety, in packages, and the percentage of each variety sold. In the Important Dates section, troops will view the calendar and view any requirements that may be coming up throughout the sale. At the bottom of the Troop dashboard page, it will list all the Troop's activity to date. The stats compare last year to this year with girls registered, girls selling, and the online participation. Click on the I, which means information icon, to the right of the financial summary to prompt the descriptions of each area of sales, proceed, and balance due. The Sold by Cookies shows all girls in the troop and how many packages each girl has sold. It can be viewed in cases, packages, or cases and packages. The troop total sale amount is listed at the bottom of the grid. If you hover over the My Troop tab, click on Goals and Online Activities. At this point, the volunteer can do the following: update their own profile and view My Council's recognition plan, update the troop package goal, provide a description of the troop's goal, send messages to the whole troop at once or to individual girl. This includes sending cheers or motivating pitches, and finally, view all girls' progress within the troop. Under the Cookies tab, each cookie description and nutritional factors are provided. In the Tips and Tools tab, you can download the rally guide and flyers, determine your troop package goal using the cookie calculator, and print successful tips to help lead and encourage your girls during the sale. And in the Media tab, you can download flyers to help the girls throughout the season. You can go to ABC Baker's YouTube channel to view tutorial videos on Smart Cookies and all the information provided during this training. Be sure to visit ABC Baker's Flickr page for awesome clip art. All can be downloaded and used by girls to market their sales with posters and business cards. Click on the Help tab for technical questions regarding the Smart Cookies platform or any other questions specific to the cookie program. The Help Desk is open 24/7 and technicians have council-specific information to help assist troops throughout the sale. Now on to how to register a girl. Step 1. After the girl has been entered into her troop in the Smart Cookie platform by the council, an email with a link to register the girl will be sent to the parent and or guardian. Click on the link to start the registration process. Each girl must have a unique account. For example, 2 girls cannot share the same account. Each link is girl-specific. Confirm that the girl is registered for the 2017-2018 membership year. Each council will establish dates for sending out the Smart Cookies Girl registration email. So check with your troop leader if you do not receive a registration email. Step 2. Complete the girl profile and parent information section. Enter your daughter's basic information. The troop number, first name, last name will already be pre-populated. Contact your troop leader or council representative if corrections to the troop or name need to be made. Enter the parent's phone number in the parent section. In the girl section, set up a username and password. The girl nickname field is the name that the girl wants to appear on e-cards that are sent to contacts, and this is also where she can upload a picture that will be attached to her message. Enter a t-shirt size. This will be used only if our council includes a size item in our recognition program. Click Submit to complete the process. Step 3. A confirmation message will appear upon successful completion of the registration process. The parent and or guardian will receive an email confirming the girl's registration is complete. Save this email since it will contain the girl's username and password as well as the link to the ABC Smart Cookies platform. The following information will show how a troop enters their initial order. Initial orders need to be entered in Smart Cookies between December 1st and December 11th. Do not order cookies for the entire sale. Only order enough for the first weekend or possibly week of the sale. New troops, we can provide you with a recommendation per girl. Returning troops, please refer to your past sales. Please be reminded that no returns or exchanges are allowed. To begin entering your troop's initial order, hover over the Orders tab and click Troop Initial Order. Troops will enter their initial order by variety and by case. Each case carries 12 packages of cookies. Once order has been entered, click Save and a confirmation message will appear showing your initial order was successfully saved. Cookie delivery. We ask that you be punctual. Delivery time and dates are selected by the delivery agent and not by council. Arrive with the correct number of vehicles and ensure they are empty to allow for smooth loading. Troops are committed to their initial order and you will be asked to count and sign for all cases. You then distribute cookies to the girls and use receipts, and remember, do not release more than $400 or 100 packages at a time. Girl Scouts of Greater South Texas will be collaborating to initiate a virtual cookie share program. Troops and girls will advertise their virtual cookie share program at point of sale and or booth sales. Troops and girls will receive payment for the cookies, but no product will be exchanged. Troops and girls will receive credit for the cookies sold. Troops will not have actual inventory of the cookie. Rather, council will have cookies shipped directly to the entity selected for the virtual cookie share program at the end of the sale. Cookies sold for the virtual cookie share program will still have to be entered in Smart Cookies. Under the Orders tab, click on the virtual cookie share. On this page, you will see a list of all participating girls with a total section to the right. In this section, you will enter the total number of packages sold for the virtual cookie share program next to the appropriate girl. Once completed, click Save. Once you saved, the confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen. The order number will be documented at the top, and you can view the completed order in the Manage Order section by clicking on the Orders tab and then selecting Manage Orders. In the Manage Order page, you will then see all virtual cookie share orders displayed under the Cookie Share filter. Check the Cookie Share filter and click Apply Search Parameters. The virtual cookie share will populate with the following information: date order was entered, the order number, the type, the troop number, the amount of cookie share in packages, and total dollar amount. To edit the order, click on the hamburger menu represented by the 3 dots on the right and make the changes necessary, then click Save. To delete an order, click on the hamburger menu once again and click Delete Order. Be advised that you will be deleting the order forever, so be mindful of this process. We will now explain the booth sale reservation. First come, first serve, which are council booth sales, and troop secured, other known as independent booth sales. Booth sale guidelines. Troop set up in front of the store entrance as specified by the store or business manager. You must take your own table, chairs, change, and cash, and we strongly advise that you take troop cookies rather than individual girl inventory. Be on your best behavior and make sure the booth sale is operating smoothly. Please refer to the volunteer cookie guide for booth sale basics. Booth sale definitions. First come, first serve. These are known as council booth sales. They are set up in rounds and troops can reserve booths on specific dates and times. Troop secured, also known as independent booth sales, are when a troop makes contact with a business to request a booth setup. Please be advised that you are not allowed to contact any of the council vendors for independent troop secured booth. These include the big box stores such as Walmart, Sam's Club, H-E-B, and IHOP. Scheduled rounds for council booth sales are separated in 5 different rounds. The early round will be open on Tuesday, January 23rd at 6 p.m. and close on January 24th at 11 p.m. This round is only available for those troops that participated in the Fall Product Program. They are able to reserve 2 council locations. The first round will open up on Thursday, January 25th at 6 p.m. and close on January 26th at 11 p.m. This round will be available to all troops that did not participate in the Fall Product Program. At the end of the early and first round, all participating troops will be able to have 2 council locations. The second round will open up on Tuesday, January 30th at 6 p.m. and close on January 31st at 11 p.m. At the end of this round, all participating troops will have the potential of having 4 council locations. The third round will open up on February 1st at 6 p.m. and close on February 2nd at 11 p.m. Troops can reserve 2 more council locations, giving them a total now of 6 locations. The last and final round will open on Saturday, February 3rd at 9 a.m. and will remain open the entire sale. At this point, there is no limit on the number of troop reservations. Keep in mind that you are not restricted to your service area. Troops can travel within council boundaries to any council booth location. Now we are going to review how to schedule a first-come, first-served booth. In Smart Cookies, hover over the Booth tab and click on Schedule Booths. At the top of the page, the council has pre-populated the time frame of when first-come, first-served booths can be scheduled. A map will display all of the council booth locations. From the list on the left, only the green highlighted areas are available. You can also use the search filters above the listing of the booth sale locations to search for a specific location or narrow down your search. Selecting a date and time. Click on the desired month and date, and once again, available dates will be highlighted. Then click Save. Once saved, the following message will appear at the bottom of the screen. You have successfully requested this first-come, first-served booth. You can repeat the same steps for all desired locations. Once the limit of booth sale locations has been reached, the following message will appear at the bottom of the screen. The maximum number of first-come, first-served requests has been reached for this troop. You can go to the My Reservation page to view all selected requests by reservation type. The My Reservation screen shows both council and independent troop secured booths. If a location has been chosen in error, click on the hamburger menu represented by the 3 dots on the far right of the booth entry and click on Remove Reservation. A confirmation message will appear to either go back or delete forever, because both booth assignments cannot be retrieved once they are deleted. If accidentally deleted, you would need to go back through the reservation process from the beginning to rebook that booth. An email notification will be sent confirming the booth assignment and/or deletion. Booth information will be populated on the GSUSA Booth Finder app available to consumers to locate booth sales within their neighborhoods. How to enter an independent troop secured booth sale. In Smart Cookies, under the Booth tab, click on Troop Secured Booth. An independent troop secured booth form should be completed by the store or business manager. Using the form, complete the information requested in the booth information section. New this year, you will not need to submit the independent troop secured booth form to council. Please keep for your troop records. Entering appointment times. Click on the Request Appointment Time button to set up all times approved by business and store manager. Select dates and times and click Save. Once complete, click on Go to Troop Reservations to view and confirm the request. Requests will then be submitted to council, and if approved, the status will go from pending to approve. If booth is denied, you will be contacted by council with justification on the denial. Deleting an independent troop secured booth sale reservation. If your troop cannot attend a requested booth time, please remember to cancel your troop from that assignment. This removes the booth form from the GSUSA Booth app. To delete the booth, click on the menu at the end of the row and then click Remove Reservation. Smart Booth Divider. This is a troop function only. It is used to assist you in dividing packages to girls sold at a booth evenly and smoothly. To use the Smart Divider, hover over the Booth tab and click on My Reservations. To select the booth you would like to work with, click on the Show Confirmed Reservations button, then click on the Booth Left to Distribute button. This will display all the booth sales that are pending record. Identify the booth you would like to work with and click on the three dots on the far right. A tab will appear, then click on the Smart Booth Divider. How to list total packages sold and how to distribute to the girls. Enter the amount of packages sold by variety during the booth sale. Click the Save and Distribute Sales button at this time. The Select Troop Girls grid will appear as shown on the right. Select which girls attended that specific booth sale by clicking the checkbox next to their names. Once all selected girls are checked, click Continue. The girl selected will appear on a grid along with each variety, showing that the divider has automatically divided the packages sold as evenly as possible. If there are odd number of packages, they will appear in red, and at this point you will manually distribute the remaining packages to the girls you deem appropriate. Once complete, click the Save button. Once saved, a confirmation message will appear on the bottom of the page, and all packages will show as being distributed. At this point, the following items will have been automatically created in the system. The inventory has now been transferred from the troop to the girl, and the girls have received credit for packages sold that will count towards their recognitions. Entering a troop to girl transfer order. On the main dashboard, hover over the Orders tab and click on Transfer Order. Under the Type of Transfer, select Troop to Girl option from the drop-down menu. Click on which girl in the troop will receive the transfer and then click Apply. In the Package column, enter the number of packages being transferred to the girl by variety. The girl will assume financial responsibility for these packages, and the total transferred will be included in her total sales numbers for recognitions. If you elect not to use the Smart Cookie Divider to distribute booth sale credit to girls, the Booth Packages column can be used to give credit to girls for packages sold at a booth sale. The girl will receive package credit towards her recognitions, but she does not assume financial responsibility for booth sales since money is collected at the time of the booth sale. In the Booth package column, enter the amount of booth packages to transfer to the girl, then click Save. Entering a troop planned order. The planned order process allows troops to place orders for cookies when they need more, and placing a planned order allows council to stock cupboards appropriately. Cookie cupboard information. Cupboards will open on Tuesday, January 16th and will close on Friday, February 23rd. Hours are as followed. Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturdays, 9 a.m. to noon, and we will now only be open for the first 3 Saturdays of the sale. Those dates are January 20th, January 27th, and February 3rd. Keep in mind that planned orders need to be placed 48 hours in advance in Smart Cookies. Entering a planned order, hover over the Orders tab and click Planned Orders. The planned order screen will show a map indicating all council cupboards. Select the cupboard you would like to pick up from and click Continue. Once a cupboard is chosen, select a date and click Continue. You will see time slots available on the date that you selected. Select a time that suits your schedule and click Save. The varieties of cookie will be shown. Enter your order by case, by variety, and then click Save. Confirmation of the planned order will appear when you click Save. The order can be printed by clicking on Print Receipt. At the top of the receipt, it will say Planned Order Receipt Not Approved, indicating that the order has not yet been picked up from cupboard. The receipt will also confirm the location, date, and time you selected along with your order. Once you have picked up your planned order from the cupboard, a product sales team member will approve your order and it will become a cupboard to troop transfer. At that point, it will show as an approved planned order. The Manage Order page displays all transactions related to the troop, and it provides access to view, edit, or delete orders as needed during the sale. To access the Manage Order page, hover over the Orders tab and click on Manage Orders. When viewing the Manage Order page, the top 4 boxes will show all the data the troop has currently conducted. The Planned Orders box shows a summary of the current planned orders not approved by the council cupboard. The Ordered box shows all transactions received by the troop. The Sold box shows all cookies that have been transferred to the girls or reported as sold in booth sales. The On Hand box shows what the troop currently has in inventory. The bottom of the Manage Order page will show in detail the total sales data. Managing financial transaction in Smart Cookies. To enter a girl financial transaction, hover over the Finance tab and click Financial Transaction. The Financial Transactions page will show all transactions you have entered associated with your troop. In addition, the following information is also provided: transaction number, troop number, girl's name, date the information was entered, the type of transfer, and the amount of money collected. Now, how to enter a girl transaction. Click on Add Girl Transaction. The Add Transaction box will appear. Fill in all the information needed, then click Save. Keep in mind that using the Finance option will assist you in generating reports to inform parents of money still owed. Once the sale has ended and you have transferred all packages to the appropriate girl, you are now ready to create your recognition order. Hover over the Recognitions tab and click on Create Recognition Order. Then select Plan Type and click Create Order. Once order has been regenerated, you will see the girl's name appear in red. This means that the girl's recognitions need to be reviewed. Typically, if a girl's name remains highlighted in red, it is because she has a selection that needs to be made, either a t-shirt size, a cap date, or a higher level option choice. Once options are selected and all girls' names are in blue, you can then click Save and Exit. Upon verifying all girl recognitions, you are now ready to commit your troop's recognition order. For this duration of the training, explanation of the girls' dashboard will be provided. This series has 4 segments to provide managing instruction in each area of the eCard tab within Smart Cookies. Log into abcsmartcookies.com with your girl username and password. Once logged in, the main dashboard is shown. Hover over the eCard link tab and see the following choices. Now to send an eCard, girls will click on Send eCard. To manually enter a new contact, you must enter the first name, last name, and the email address of each contact you wish to send an eCard to. Click the preferred language. The eCards can be sent in English or Spanish. Click the plus sign to add the contact. Repeat these steps for each contact you want to add. Contacts can also be imported. To import contacts, click on the words Import Contacts and it will show how to upload according to instructions. My Tools, Girls Video and URL Links. Once a girl is logged into her account in abcsmartcookies.com, she can hover over the eCard link and click on the eCard Tool option on the eCard menu. In the My Video link, girls can create and share a personal video that can be sent with eCards. The My Smart Cookies Direct Ship link, each girl is provided with a unique URL link that can be copied and pasted onto social media sources and emails. The My Smart Cookies Direct Ship link takes the customer to the Smart Cookies Direct Ship order page where they can place an order to support the girl. Girls sending eCard invites. From the dashboard, hover over the eCard link and click on Send eCard. Girls will select the contacts they would like to send an eCard invite to by checking the individual boxes at the end of the row or click Select All to choose all contacts, then click Next. All eCards will contain the direct ship delivery option for customers to order and pay for cookies online, and those orders will be shipped directly from the bakery to that customer. Shipping and handling charges will apply and will be imposed onto that customer. Click the box at the end of the row labeled Girl Delivery for only those contacts that a girl is willing and able to deliver cookies to in person. Contacts marked for Girl Delivery will have both invites sent to either Order Cookies Direct Ship method or Girl Delivery method. Remember, for Girls Delivery orders, you order online but do not pay online. Rather, payment must be collected by the Girl Scout when she hand delivers the cookies to that customer. If the Girl Delivery box is not checked, the customer will receive the invitation for ordering via the direct ship method only. eCards are multiple use and can be used to place multiple orders throughout the sale. Once girls have selected what method they will be sending the eCard, she clicks on Next. Girls can customize a personalized message in both the English and Spanish version of the eCards to be included with the invitation to purchase cookies. Place a check mark in the box preceding each section of the customization options that would like to be included in the eCard. Complete the custom message for each section by adding in your cookie sales goals, how your troop plans to use cookie earnings, your favorite cookie, and the name of your council or troop donation program if applicable. Each field is limited to 100 characters, then click Next. Girls will see a preview of their cards complete with any customization that was added. eCards for Direct Ship and Girl Delivery are shown on the left. eCards for just Direct Ship are shown on the right. If you need to make changes to shipment options, click the back button at the bottom of the screen to edit any changes to the eCards. If your eCards are correct and ready to send, click Send Now. A confirmation that the eCard invitation was successfully sent will be shown. You can either view eCard sent list or send another eCard. The contact will receive an email inviting them to order cookies along with any custom messaging that was included. Girls viewing eCard orders. To view their eCard orders, girls can hover over the eCard link and click on View eCard Orders. They will see each order placed via eCard. The dashboard provides information on the number of sales, packages sold via Girl Delivery and Smart Cookies Direct Ship, as well as showing how many orders need to be paid and/or delivered. The order grid shows the name of the customer and the order that they placed. You can also see the order status and print a report showing all orders received, including direct shipped orders. Now, how to view eCard sent. Hover over the eCard sublink and click on View eCard Sent. The dashboard shows how many eCard invites have been sent, how many eCards have been viewed, how many orders have been placed via eCards, and how many of those eCard invitations have not been opened. At this point, girls can resend the eCard as a friendly reminder to the customers. Smart Cookies Direct Ship Enhancements. The enhancements include that girls can send eCards to customers to order Girl Scout cookies shipped directly and also can offer girl delivery. We have also added 3 distribution centers that offer 2-day shipping to most of the U.S. Customers can now order any variety of cookies in whatever quantities that they want. Shipping cost is flat rate at $9.50, and that's for anything from 1 package to 12 package in any combination. This now concludes this year's 2018 Cookie Program training. You will now be required to take a short quiz. Once quiz is submitted and it's satisfactory, you will be sent the Troop Cookie Manager Agreement form along with the ACH form. This must be completed and submitted to Council as soon as possible. I would like to thank you, and if you have any questions, please email us at info@gsgst.org.